Very good morning, children. It's so nice to see you all again. Enjoyed your Christmas vacation? Yes? I wish you a happy new year. Keep smiling, be happy, and have lots of fun. Okay? Now, getting back to lessons. Are you ready for the lesson? We are going to do a new lesson from your English book, The Radiant Way. Okay? You are so much familiar with this book now, isn't it, children? Yes? Okay. So let us see which lesson? Lesson number 10. And what is the title? The title of the lesson is The Rag Man. Okay, I will explain to you, children. Don't worry at all. First, we will see the phonic words. Okay. So, what are you going to do? Place your finger. Read out the word loudly from left to right. Shall we start? Your first phonic set, A, G words. Now, start keeping your finger, children, on the word and read the word. Read it out loud. Bag, lag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag. Very good. Next set, A-N words. Shall we start? Place your finger. Read the word. Can, man, fan, pan, ran, van, tan. Now if you can see, children, the words which I have underlined, you can find them in your lesson. Okay? So that will make your reading very easy. Next, O-T words. Start placing your finger. Very good. Cot, dot, got, hot, lot, not, pot. Very good. I hope you are reading, children. Next, I-N words. Ready? Place your finger. Fin, pin, tin, win, bin, and sin. Next, A-Y words. This is a quick revision, children. Okay? Start placing your finger on the word day, lay, may, pay, ray, say, way, bay, hay. Next set we have E-T words. Place your finger, children. Repeat after me. Bet, get, jet, let, met, net, pet, set, wet, wet, yet. Okay, very good. Next, ID words. Lid, kid, did, hid, bid. Next we have EN words. Come on, children. Repeat after me. Very good. Den, hen, men, pen, and ten. Very good. ILL words. Ready? Shall we start? Very good. Bill, fill, hill, kill, mill, pill, till, will. I hope you're reading, repeating and looking at the word, children. Yes? Next, we have the new words. So let us see what are the new words. Come. Repeat after me, children. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. Come. C-O-M-E, come. See. S-E-E-C. S-E-E-C. Rag man. R-A-G, rag, M-A-N, man. Rag man. R-A-G-M-A-N, rag man. Pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. P-A-N-S, pants. P-A-N-S, pants. M-A-Y, may. M-A-Y, may. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. R-A-G-S, rags. R-A-G-S, rags. Bring. B-R-I-N-G, bring. B-R-I-N-G, bring. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. Now let us revise one more time, children. May, lid, rags, bring, have, thank you. Thank you. Okay. So let us see. Make sentences. Now what I have here? Lid. Now children, you know what is the meaning of lid? Dhakkan. Where you close a jar, a pan. Okay. Now when your mummy has finished cooking rice, dal, sabji, what she does? She puts a lid on the vessel, isn't it? That is lid. L-I-D, lid. Now what sentence can we make? Cover the pan with the lid. That is the sentence. Understood, children? Now first you should understand the meaning of lid. Lid is a ढक्कन जिसको हम ढक देते हैं. Okay, that is lid. Now the sentence is cover the pan with the lid. Okay. Next, may. May I sit with you? May I come with you? May I have a pencil, please? Okay, that is may word. M-A-Y, may. You can make a sentence. May I sit with you? Okay, children. So these were the two words. You can make sentences. You can make sentences of your own also. Now let us see here. Look at this picture, children. Now can you tell me whom you can see in this picture? There is a rag man, Anne and Pat. Now what do we mean by rag man? Like raddi wala. Okay. He takes the old things from your house, isn't it? Some rags, old newspapers, something broken or not working and we don't want in our house. So what we do? We give it off to the raddi wala, isn't it? Now here the ragman is a raddiwala. Okay, but he will not give money in exchange, but he will give some things. Okay, so if we give some old things to him, he will give some new good things to us. That is the rag man. So let us see the lesson. Lesson number 10, the rag man. Point number 1, children, just listen. Okay, fold your hands, sit straight and listen. Come to see the rag man Pat. Now come to see the rag man Pat. Who is telling this? Anne is telling. Come to see the rag man Pat. She is calling Pat. And she is telling, the ragman has a pot and 10 tin pans with him. Okay, Anne is calling Pat and saying, see, the ragman has come and the ragman has a pot and 10 tin pans with him. Then Pat is telling, may the man have the rags? So Pat is asking, if I give him rags, will he give something in return? That is what he is asking. May the man have the rags? So Anne is telling, yes, bring the rags to him. Go bring the rags to him. We will give the rags and take something in exchange. Then number 5. Will you let mother have a tin pan with a lid? Now Anne is asking the ragman, will you give mother a tin pan with a lid? I will give you the rag and you give me a tin pan with a lid. That is what Anne is asking. Will you let mother have a tin pan with a lid? So the ragman is saying, yes, she may have a pan. Okay, I will give you a pan. Number 7. Thank you for the rags. Now the ragman is telling, thank you for the rags that you gave me. And Anne is telling, thank you for the pan. Point 8. Thank you for the pan. So now ragman, what did he get? Rags. And what did Anne and Pat get? A tin pan with a lid for their mother. They exchanged it. Okay. They exchanged the rags with a tin pan with a lid. Okay, children. So that was the rag man. Now here you can see the lesson in your book. You can open your books now and place your finger and repeat after teacher. Okay. Point number 1. Place your finger. Come to see the ragman Pat. The ragman has a pot and 10 tin pans with him. May the man have the rags? Yes, bring the rags to him. Will you let mother have a tin pan with a lid? Yes, she may have a pan. Thank you for the rags. Thank you for the pans. Okay, children, very good. Now, let us see the fill in the blanks. Now, what did the ragman have? The ragman has a pot and 10 tin pans with him. So, you can see the dash there. So, how we are going to read? The ragman has a dash and 10 tin pans with him. So, what will be the answer? Pot. You are going to write there pot. Where there is a dash, write there pot. The ragman has a pot and 10 tin pans with him. Now, read the second one, children. May the man have the dash. So, you remember the lesson, recall the lesson. May the man have the rags. So, in the dash, you are going to write rags. R-A-G-S, rags. Okay. So, this was your fill in the blanks. Now, we will move on to the question. What does the ragman have? You have to read the question, children. Read and understand. Okay. Then only you will be able to answer. What does the ragman have? What does the ragman have? Yes, tell me. The ragman has a pot and 10 tin pans with him. Okay. You are going to answer in full sentence. Not only a pot and 10 tin pans. Okay. You will start from the ragman has a pot and 10 tin pans with him. Start the answer with a capital letter, and when you finish the answer, you will put a full stop. Okay. Be careful with that. So children, what we saw here, phonic words, new words, make sentences, read the lesson as usual, fill in the blanks and answer the following. So this all are going to learn from this lesson, children. Okay, children. I hope you understood the meaning of ragman, 10 tin pans, a pot. Okay. Take care, children. Keep smiling always and be happy and take care. Bye.